If I would describe the Prototyp week in one word, I would say problem solving. We want to come up with something tangible at the end of the week. That's a really cool challenge.
So this week's theme is AI, which is a really fun topic because you get to explore, but also perhaps a bit creepy because we've been using voice cloning, which is a lot of fun, but also it's scary how good it is.
So every morning we have this daily message being played out in our speakers that reminds us about our company morning meeting. And we wanted to just spice it up and make it a bit more exciting, a bit more interactive.
So this week's project for us has been to improve on this with implementing voice cloning and also dynamic text messages.
We knew that there are so many good voice clones APIs out there, and we thought that if we just use one of them, that would improve the general quality of this.
Yeah, so the goal of the week has been to not only make the messages more fun, but also have the opportunity to learn more about these voice cloning models.
From the tech side, we use an LLM to generate the actual message, and then we spice it up a bit with connecting it to several APIs. We got some weather data in and some other cool stuff. And then we have cloned some of our colleagues' voices to make the messages even more personal and fun.
So we divided the project into 3 different stages. The first one was to research the different models, and then we wanted to generate dynamic text for the person we're cloning, and then lastly we just had to implement the stack. So for the AI models we used ChatGPT for the text generation, and for the voice cloning we used ElevenLabs.
So one key takeaway from this week was that it's kind of difficult to generate good voice clones. First off, you need a good recording, and then you need actual text to sort of mimic the characteristics of the person that you try to clone. So the final product of the week is a more exciting voice message. It may talk about the weather, may mention if there's a special day, like Kanelbullens dag, for example, and if there's like a colleague's birthday, for example. The results ended up way better than expected. It's really nice to just hear your colleague's voice greeting you during the morning.
One of the key takeaways for me personally is how good the AI models are for voice cloning. It's a bit scary, but it's also really fun and exciting to see what you can do with it.